Welcome everyone! Today we will guide you on how to create a Black Friday deal page in minutes that will skyrocket your sales. Let's begin by adding a WordPress template. Then, we'll improvise it with enhancing features to create a professional, engaging design that fits your brand and make it a high-converting deal page. We are going to utilize Templately, Essential Blocks, Embed Press and Notification X plugins. From your page editor, click on Templately on the block toolbar from where we will go for Templately Black Friday templates, built for Gutenberg. Navigate to the Pages Template section, type Black Friday on the search bar and hit Enter. Choose a template and click on Live Demo to see if it fits your brand. Click on the Insert button and confirm by clicking on the Install and Proceed to Import button. Your chosen template will be imported to the page editor. After the heading section, add a paragraph to insert a block to embed a promotional video using Embed Press, which can embed from 150 plus sources. Click on plus, search Embed Press and select the block to add it to the page. Inside the Embed Press block, insert the promotional video link you want to show on the deal page and hit Embed. Your video will be embedded on the page. From block settings, adjust the embedded content according to need. In the next page section, add another paragraph to insert a countdown block from Essential Blocks. It comes with advanced customization options. Choose a countdown template from the given options and click to Insert. In block settings, make it evergreen or set a date and time to end the countdown. In the Style section, adjust the box style background, digit and label colors. Also in Advanced Settings, customize the margin and padding. In another section, let's add a paragraph to insert pricing table blocks from Essential Blocks. And customize according to your needs. Now, hit on Publish and see how your deal page looks. As our deal page is ready, let's do some marketing to engage your audience through an opt-in banner to the created page using Notification X. The best social proof marketing to increase instant reach of your deal page. From Notification X dashboard, click on Add New button, select Type Notification bar, click on Next, choose a design and hit Next. Add your contents, CTA text and link to your deal page. Tick on the checkbox to enable countdown, set time and date, click on Next, customize according to needs and hit the Publish button. Now simply clicking on the CTA button on your opt-in banner, your website visitor will be redirected to the Black Friday deal page. This is how you build a high-converting Black Friday deal page in minutes in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.